Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to add team members to your team on Todoist.com. So just open up your team on the left-hand panel of your app, and on the right side, you'll see the add button with a plus sign. So you can add more projects, you can add more folders, but in this case, we will be adding more people. So there's two ways to invite them um, to join your app. You can invite them by link, where you would just have to press copy link and send it to whatever messaging application that you have in your team, whether it's work, whether it's at home. And then you could also invite them as email. You could have the option to add them as an administrator who can edit the team settings, all the roles, and can add more tasks. And you can add them as members as well, who could just view the team projects, um, create and invite new people, but they won't be accessing any changes to any roles and settings. So once you copy the link or you add them by email, always make sure you press send invites on the lower right corner so that it gets sent to their email. So if you have any questions, thank you. Have a great day.